back to my channel. So tomorrow is my birthday and I am going to bake some cupcakes, right? But I am going to bake it in the air fryer. So this will be the first time I using the air fryer to bake cake, but it is possible. I googled it and I saw videos with people baking in their air fryer. So that's what I am going to do this morning. So I already mixed my cake batter. I bought a red velvet Betty Crocker cake mix. Yeah, I am not feeling to, do the whole sugar and butter, cream it, and no. So yes, so I bought this beautiful cupcake holder, and I find it so, nice. It have gold. So I say, you know what, I want to use this for my birthday. So yeah, every time it's my birthday, I just have like a kind of bittersweet moment, because sometimes it just be like oh, this is not exactly how I wanted my late 30s to be. But when you really think about your life, you just see how much you have. Sometimes we just feel we don't have much, but when you think about your family and how much they does support you, you just reconsider, you just reconsider and be like, even though I may not have X, Y, and Z where you always wanted to have, but I think that God does want us to be grateful first for what we have before He could bless us with new things. So anyone who is watching my videos and they may feel kind of down, thinking that they always wanted to accomplish this, and they never get to accomplish it, and there's this age or whatever the case may be. I just want you all to know that it is okay. Let me go and put my fill up my using the red. This is red, but the camera have it looking pink, a kind of rose pink, but it's really a red, right? So I am filling my pan halfway, because I know something about cake. It does swell. It's nice.
You got a video?
Yeah.
Results come up.
Result. I have 4 already done set out to put in the air fryer in my red pans. You see, guys, I feel it finish. These are the white pans. So guys, our next set is going in. So I have 4 sets with white paper, 4 sets with red paper, and I have a little bit remaining back. Since it's red velvet, I think I'll let the red outweigh the white, And I did not put any oil in the pan. I don't think you need oil. I think I have where I can make one more, so I'll do it 5 by 5. So I am going to make my cream cheese with some icing and sugar and some cream cheese, right? Philadelphia cream cheese. So I am going to add my icing and sugar to this bowl. Right. It's 10 cupcake, and the thing is with icing and sugar, when you add liquid in it, it does come like it does come next to nothing. It does, you know, come down to naught. So, and you cannot add plenty milk because it will be too watery. I want it kind of thickish, not, you know, too watery. Right, and then you stir. You see how it coming down? Yeah. When I was like in my teens, I did bread cakes and pastries in YTEP. For those of you who don't know what is YTEP, it has been a government program. It does teach you different skills, and it does teach you business management. Right? It is free, and I used to take full advantage of those YTEP courses. So there's where I learned to bake. My favorite cake I learned to bake in YTEP was one of my strong points was sponge fruit cake, fruit sponge. So now to my icing, I am going to put in a nice hefty piece of cream cheese, because I like to taste my cream cheese on my velvet cake. Right? So we is going to mix it into our icing. I use the same knife that I use to cut my red velvet cake. I hope it didn't mess up the icing, because the thing with red velvet, oh gosh guys, the cream cheese was in the fridge, so it kind of hard, but yeah, now getting it in. The thing is with red velvet cake, the icing does have to be white, like real white, and to me that is how it does really look elegant and nice, when the icing white, like how this white, like white, yeah. I find this cream cheese and mashing up like I wanted to. You see all them lumps? I have to try to smoothen it. So this is my cakes. As I told you guys, I only use red. I only use red and white pans. So guys, my cakes, red velvet with cream cheese icing and white chocolate chips, has been finished. How do you find it came out? So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.